Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a custom photo as your home screen wallpaper on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and navigate to your home screen. Once you're there, press and hold anywhere on your background wallpaper. This will trigger a menu to appear with several customization options for your device. From the menu that pops up, tap on Wallpaper and Styles. This is where you can access all the personalization settings for your phone's appearance, including wallpapers, themes, and color schemes. Next, you'll see several options on the screen. Go ahead and tap on Wallpapers. This section gives you access to both Google's pre-installed wallpaper collections and your personal photos stored on the device. Now tap on Choose a Photo. This option allows you to browse through your gallery and select any image you've saved on your phone to use as your wallpaper. Browse through your photo gallery and select the photo you want to set as your home screen wallpaper. Once you've found the perfect image, tap on it to select it. This will open the photo in a preview mode where you can make adjustments. At this point, you have the option to edit the photo to make it fit better on your home screen. You can tap the photo to access editing tools like cropping, zooming, or repositioning the image to ensure it looks exactly how you want it on your display. Once you're satisfied with how the photo looks, tap the check icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This confirms your edits and prepares the image to be set as your wallpaper. After that, tap Next to proceed to the final settings. This step takes you to a screen where you can choose exactly where you want this wallpaper to appear on your device. On this screen, make sure the home screen option is checked. This ensures that the photo you selected will only appear on your home screen and not on your lock screen. If you want it on both, you can adjust the settings accordingly. Finally, tap Apply to set your chosen photo as the home screen wallpaper. Your device will process the change, and within a moment, you'll see your new wallpaper displayed on your home screen. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Google Pixel 6 Pro home screen with your favorite photo. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.